What is the meaning of the word strand? As a noun, a pattern forming a unity within a larger structural whole. Line consisting of a complex of fibers or filaments that are twisted together to form a thread or rope or cable. A poetic term for ashore, as the area periodically covered and uncovered by the tides. A street in west-central London famous for its theatres and hotels. Examples of use. He tried to pick up the strands of his former life. I could hear several melodic strands simultaneously. As a verb. Drive a vessel ashore. Strand is spelled S-T-R-A-N-D. Strand.